Hi and welcome to my channel. We are back again with another exciting review, and this time we have Wrangler Jeep 2020 model with us from Saudi Arabia. This review is going to be very special because this is one of my favorite Jeeps, and the variant which we are going to review in this video is Wrangler JL Rubicon Plus. The review will be very detailed and we will talk about the exterior, interior, safety features and all other key features that this car is offering. So watch this video till the end and let me know if you have any questions in the comment section below. Before starting the review, kindly subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so far and also hit like button if you like this video. Let's start. It's a two-door Jeep with convertible roof, and here you can see the Rubicon branding on it. Let's have a quick walk around the car so that we can see the beautiful shape of the Jeep from all the angles. If we talk about the engine, it has 3.6 liter V6 VVT engine that can produce the maximum output of 285 horsepower as well as the maximum torque 352 Newton meters. It has a powerful engine, but at the same time it is fuel efficient as well, because Jeep claims it can give you the maximum mileage of 13.8 kilometers in 1 liter. For safe parking, it has rear parking sensors as well as back view camera. As far as price of this variant is concerned, it has a price tag of 204k Saudi Riyal, which is equivalent to 9 million Pakistani rupees. It has LED reflector headlamps which are automatic and they can switch on, switch off according to the lighting conditions on the road. Daytime running light or DRL along with the turning indicator is integrated into the fender, whereas the fog lamps are installed on the bumper. It has excellent ground clearance. This is why this is one of the best off-roading 4x4 vehicle. It has all new front grille which is designed in a way that it will protect the engine and radiator while it will keep the both ventilated at the same time. The front bumper is made of steel and it comes in black color. It also has two strong hooks for towing the car. These are the latches if you want to open the bonnet. "17-inch alloy wheels with mud terrain tires. It has one of the best heavy-duty suspension system. Here is some branding of Wrangler Jeep. Trail rated 4x4. Side mirrors have signal turning light as well as blind spot detection indicator. It has keyless go passive entry security system which enables you to lock-unlock your car without using a physical key. If we talk about the braking system, it has anti-lock 4-wheel disc brakes. Because of the exceptional ground clearance of this car, you can drive it over the logs, rocks, sand or any kind of trail and it won't disappoint you. The rear bumper comes in black color and it also has a strong hook for towing the car. Spare tire is attached with the back door. This Jeep has a remote start feature, so if you have the remote control available with you, you can start it from a distance. Let's now see the interior of the Jeep. It has leather seats. One very interesting thing about the interior of this Jeep that it has a washable interior. You can wash it anytime and no damage will happen. It has 7-inch TFT color display along with 9 speakers of Alpine sound system. It also has Uconnect navigation system with 8.4-inch display. Here is a speaker of the audio system. It has the airbags for the front passengers only, while for the rear passengers there are no airbags. It has downhill assist feature that helps you to maintain a low speed when you are driving at a descending slopes. It has rear parking assist feature along with the rear camera so that you can park your car safely. Apart from this, it also has electronic stability control feature that automatically reduces the chances of losing the traction because of slippery roads or surfaces. It has engine start-stop button as well. It has differential lock system that can be used in tricky off-road situations for locking the wheels or axles. It's a 4-wheel drive Jeep and it has multiple power options that can be used in various situations while off-roading. Because of its powerful engine, it has 8-speed auto transmission. It has traditional handbrake as well as cup holders for the front passengers. The AC vents can be opened and closed like this, and we should keep it closed if the air conditioning system is not being used so that dust doesn't enter from here. It has cruise control and audio control buttons on the steering wheel. It also has tire pressure monitoring system. It has a top speed of 200 km per hour. Driver can adjust the side mirrors and headlamps electronically. Here is a compartment with a reasonable space. The roof is convertible. It also has speakers for the rear passengers. Only 2 persons can sit on the back seats. Rear seats are quite spacious, and to go there you have to fold the front passenger seat. In a nutshell, it's an excellent 4x4 vehicle. It has all the capabilities and it is fully loaded with all the required features. This is the reason why it is so much famous across the world. That's all for today. If you like this video, kindly hit like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. We will get back with more exciting videos. Until then, take care and goodbye.